let's test some batteries. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this battery tester that will test 12-volt batteries. So 6 or 12-volt batteries.
6 or 12.
So you can do a car, you can do a motorcycle, you can do a smaller battery. This has a ton of different options. You can do a crank test, a charge test, all of these things with this. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Today, we're going to test out Greg's battery. Go ahead and go through the features. So with all of these, you're going to have a bunch of these features. Most of this stuff is written right on your battery. You want to make sure that you put the right amperage for your battery in, so it's properly testing it. This is so easy to use. We have a dead battery. We're going to show you that one as well. As I said, this is a 6-volt or 12-volt tester. Look at that. This is a brand new battery.
So we got 608 amps,
Yep.
12.36 volts.
Nice. Nice. So now we're going to compare it to the dead one, just so you guys can see the difference, what it will show you when it's not charged. So this is the battery that just came out of Greg's car that he replaced because, well, we're going to show you. This is going to, again, we're going to have to pick the amperage. This battery had a little bit lower amperage. Most of the time that's written on the top of your battery, so you can find that easily, figure it out. We'll run the test. Ooh, this one wants to know if it's before or after charging.
Before charging.
Testing. That is a very dead battery. You can see it's only showing 28 amps, 9.4 volts.
It's shot.
Yeah, yep, that battery is definitely
104 ohms.
gonna go to the battery recycle place. This thing is super easy to use. If you've got batteries laying around your house and you need to know like if they're charged, if they're not charged, things like that, this is gonna help you out a lot. And like I said, tons of other options in the front of it. This is pretty awesome. We recommend this.